All right, so we were doing a little bit of a challenge. I started off this week with like 30 miles to empty. I drive about 5 minutes to work, so I thought, you think I could go the whole week without filling up? Absolutely not. We have like 15 miles to empty. I don't feel safe driving my truck around. I know people are gonna, 14, I stand corrected. Gas, we need gas. What do you guys think? At $3.98, how much do you guys think it's going to be to fill up? Realistically, I'm gonna say like 60, probably $70, but for my bank account's sake, I'm gonna hope like $50 please. Probably not though. Well, there's a lot of Tacomas. There's Tacoma there and a Tacoma there. It's a Tacoma meetup. Let the anxiety begin. All right, so that just happened. That is, as of now, my most expensive fill-up. 72 big ones. Let me know what you guys are paying. Do I regret it though? Not one bit. In the Tacoma, if you're looking for miles per gallon, you're in the wrong truck. 4-cylinder, V6, stock, whatever, you're in the wrong truck. If you're in the market for miles per mile, you know, this could be your truck. Okay, this could be your truck. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. A lot of people get the misconception that, oh, I just bought this Tacoma, it's glorious, it's amazing. Let's make it better with some wheels. Let's make it better with some tires. Let's slap some blocks in the suspension and call it a lift, and it'll be better. No, you're very, very wrong, and I'm here to tell you about 3 things to look out for after you do your lift, because if you don't, all the money you're spending is only gonna go to waste. Hear me out. Once you lift it more than 2 inches, the geometry gets absolutely destroyed. There's a little thing called caster that I am in desperate need, so if you got some caster, anybody, send some my way. Okay, listen, this thing right here, this Tacoma cannot steer straight on the highway to save its life. I'm driving on the highway. If the wind blows a little bit, I'm all over the road. It's very, very unpleasant and unsafe in my opinion. So just so you guys can see, this is me just trying to go straight. As you guys can see, the steering wheel is slanted to the right. Right now, I'm just trying to drive straight and the steering wheel starts to pull to the right or to the left. Now, this is an alignment done by hand and it's not the best. So obviously, we definitely need an alignment. What's the problem? One, you're not stable at higher speeds. Higher speeds in the Tacoma is like 60 miles an hour, and I can't do it. Like, I just don't enjoy driving the truck anywhere that's not the city, and it really, really sucks. These tires, they were not cheap. They aren't expensive by any means, but they're not cheap. Bad alignment starts to eat up at the tire. Now, seems like the tire is kind of like slanted a little bit. I literally have the money in my account. I don't know what to buy. Let me know if you guys are running a similar suspension lift as me. Bilstein 5100s, front and rear, OME 2888 springs. Some people say JBA, some people say SPC. Honestly, I'm kind of staying away from SPC. I've heard good, but I've heard a lot of bad also. If you have upper control arms and you're lifted, let me know down below in the comment section. What upper control arms do you have? How long have you had them? How many miles do you have on them? And what do you think? Let me know. The second thing that I see nobody talks about, if you're in my range of lift kit, the East Coast gear supply bushing is a must. I would just do it before, so you don't have to do it after. Some people are paying like $750 to get it installed. I paid like $1,000 to get everything done, but it just made it easier since the truck was already pulled apart. So up front you have a CV axle, okay? An arm that connects to the tire, but also to your actual differential. Right here is the problem. It starts to turn, and inside there's a needle bearing. The bearing has needles inside of it, and when you lift the vehicle, it goes like this. No, that's not good, but we have to do it anyway. It starts to kind of grind and then it starts causing vibrations, but nonetheless, it's something to get addressed immediately. Why? It starts to cause a lot of problems very, very fast, and very, very big problem. It has little needles inside that will start to break off and then go into your differential. Instead of taking out just that single bearing and getting rid of it, now you have to open up your differential and hope that there's not like metal shavings all chopped up and destroyed in there. And very last but not least, we're having a little bit of an issue that scares the bejesus out of me. Mechanical stuff, no problem. I can get on it, I can fix it, but right there, there's a sensor. And that sensor is known for giving issues when you lift your Tacoma. Every so often, for some reason, it goes off. Collision detection is turned off, that brake assist is turned off, like so many codes come up. I'm gonna have to try to get a clip of it next time. That's another thing to consider. Now, how do you fix this? It's pretty simple. You just have to like move the sensor like this. It just happened once or twice for me as of now, but I don't think I need it yet. Unless it starts happening over and over and over again, I won't address it. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know down below in the comment section. Have you guys had any problems with the Tacoma after you lifted it? If you like your truck, just leave it as it is. Watch me destroy my truck. Watch other people destroy their trucks, and you enjoy yours. I promise yours is more capable than mine. It's a lot more enjoyable than mine. But I mean, it probably didn't look as cool, but that's just my own opinion. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.